Meaning of line manager.
Line manager.
Line manager.
Line manager.
Line manager. A line manager, also known as a direct manager, is responsible for managing and leading a team of employees within a company. Line managers are typically in charge of overseeing day-to-day operations, setting goals and objectives, providing performance feedback, and ensuring that their teams have the resources they need to succeed. They also play a key role in implementing company strategies and policies, and are accountable for the results achieved by their team. In essence, line managers have both people management and operational responsibilities within an organization.